Hello, this is Richard Martindale with Martindale Digital, and I want to thank you for joining me on this live stream today, where we're going to be discussing the key to stop wasting time on unsuccessful marketing efforts for your law firm in 2020. Now, if you're watching this live stream, I know that you hopefully are an attorney or a member of a law firm that's involved with law firm marketing. And when you're in a law firm, you know that there's always decisions that are made among the partners as to what they need to do as far as promoting the firm and marketing the firm. So when those partners come together and they make a decision that they're going to do marketing, then they have to decide, okay, what type of marketing are we going to do? Now, at Martindale Digital, we specialize mostly with online marketing. So when you're marketing your firm online, you're dealing with websites and digital assets such as Facebook pages, YouTube channels, Google AdWords, Facebook ads, LinkedIn, all the things that law firms need to be using to market their law firm. And if you're going to go online, one of the key mistakes that law firms make is their focus. Most law firms, and as you look at this example on the screen, it may be a little bit smaller and harder to see, but basically most law firms, when they go and they do online marketing, they are focused on themselves. They're focused on their experience, their awards that they've won, them being the best attorneys that are out there. And so a lot of times that focus, if you look at this example, I've highlighted some of the words that most law firms use when they're doing their marketing. And if you look at this example, I clicked through to the very first law site, you might say the website from this Google ad. And what it came up with was this attorney, and their website again at this firm was all about their experience, their point of view with regard to the divorce cases, their philosophy, the types of cases that they take. So all the focus is on the firm, the attorneys, where, when I think about this, it's kind of like if you're dating, let's say you're going to go on the first date with someone and you have all these expectations. As you see here in the picture, these people are smiling, there's a rose on the table. So you've got these expectations when you go on this first date. But if you're thinking about marketing in this standpoint, this would be kind of like going on a first date and you actually get someone who all they do is talk about themselves. They're on the phone all the time. They're just focused on themselves, and they ask you no questions and they show no interest in you. That's what marketing is like for law firms when all they're talking about is themselves, their awards, their experience. And so you need to think about that from the standpoint of your law firm and how you're presenting yourself online. What the key you need to think about and what you need to do is to shift your focus to your client's needs and your client's wants, the questions that they're asking that you can answer. So I want to show you these couple examples of some really good law firms that I found online. So this first one is a DUI attorney, and they're asking this question: what are you concerned about the most? So they're worried about what their clients' concerns are. And there's some examples here, such as the court process for a DUI, the DMV license hearings. So this is all surrounding a DUI attorney. And you can see they're focused on what are their clients concerned about. So if a client comes to this site, they're like, oh, this attorney, this law firm understands what I'm going through. They know the questions that I have in my mind, and they're answering them for me. Just think about it and sit and think about the feeling that would give to a potential client if that's how your law firm was marketing themselves online. You would be getting good feelings from your potential clients. They would want to call you because they understand and know that you're thinking about their concerns already before they've even talked to you. So this is a great example of things that you can model and you can look at with regard to your law firm. Here's another one that was a very excellent example from a patent law firm. So you think about patents, you think about science and, filing patents and all the applications and paperwork and things like that. But this firm, when you go to their website, the first thing you get, and this is just a screenshot, obviously, but there's this video that it goes through. And it's basically, as you can see here, the first slide is, you're a visionary. So they're appealing to that client who has this vision, has this dream, this idea that they want to patent. And it basically pulls those emotions out of the potential client and lets the client know that this law firm understands what they're doing, understands what they're going through, sees the same vision that they do. And so it invites those clients to come and work with those attorneys. So that's what you really need to think about, and a key to stop wasting your time and money. Because if you're going to decide to make decisions to go market your law firm online, you don't want to waste your time, you don't want to waste your money. So you need to shift that focus to focus on your client, not yourself and your awards, and you will be successful. So that's the key how you can stop wasting time on unsuccessful marketing in 2020. I hope you've liked this live stream broadcast today. If so, I hope you'll subscribe to our YouTube channel so you'll get alerts every time we go live, or on our Facebook page at facebook.com/Martindale Digital. And we go live at 5 every day during the weekdays. So follow us, give us comments on things that you'd like to learn about, and we'd love to respond to you. And I hope you will pay attention and watch the rest of this week, because we're going to take some more information with regard to this focus on the client and really dive in to give you some helpful resources on how you can understand your client better and give you resources to be able to take these ideas and actually apply them to your firm. Thanks so much, and I hope you have a blessed day.